Hey guys, good morning. This is Joey at Truck Market down in Memphis. I've got a 2015 Kenworth W900 factory built glider kit. Super hard to find, 86-inch studio with a couch, 12.7 liter Detroit, 13 speed. It's got 788 total on the miles and only 50,000 miles on a complete engine overhaul done at W Williams with the paperwork. I'm going to do a full walk around, show you underneath the hood, frame rails, tires, brakes. Finish up on the inside. Let's go ahead and get started. Southern truck, so there's no rust on the frame rails. No cracks or big scratches or anything in the fenders or anywhere on this truck. Customer was hauling step decks with this one and retired, so we were fortunate enough to get it. Rear side fifth wheel, matching Bridgestones. All aluminum wheels, some new brakes, and just some paint coming off of that rear end right there, but you can see that there's no rust anywhere on the truck. Frame rails are clean. Nice headache rack if you need it. Very expensive enclosed. Let's go ahead and shut this hood. One little spot on the, which that's an easy replacement, that one corner there. VIT interior. Double bunk with the couch, fridge, extra gauges. Very low side oil pressure, smooth through the RPMs, and the oil pressure climbs exactly like she's supposed to. Guys, I appreciate you watching. If you got any questions on this one or any other truck, feel free to give me a call, 901-896-4526. You can also email me anytime to joey@truckmarket.com. Thanks for watching.